Friends, welcome back. In this tutorial we will learn another cell formatting, which is date and time. So dates and times in Excel can be displayed in a variety of ways. So we can change or we can see the dates and times as per our requirements. Okay, so suppose you want to change the date format for this date. Okay, so just press Ctrl 1 from keyboard. I have used the shortcut key, and otherwise you can also right click the specific cell and then click on format cell, and you can choose any of the format whatever suits you. And from here you can also choose the country or location. So as per your location, the options will show here. Okay, you can also change the calendar type. Okay, so suppose you want to see the date format like this, then choose this from here and click OK. You can see the changes. And if you don't want to see like this, then click on custom and you just write as per your. You can see the sample, so how the date will show in the sheet, it is showing here. So just press OK. You can see whatever is showing in the sample area, it's showing like this. If you don't want to see the time here, you only wanted to show the date, then for this you need to again right click and click on format cell and just click on date and select our format. You can see in the formula bar date is time is showing, but the date time is not showing in the view. You can change time as per your requirement, but normally all this date and times is a number, as stored as number. Suppose if I change this general, you can see the changes. Okay, so the dates will be stored after 1971 Jan in the Excel calendar. Okay, so if you again change it date format, you can also change from here. Suppose I want short date, you can see, and the time always around roaming from 0 to 1. So if you have put 6 here, for this it's showing 0.25. If instead of 6, if you put here 7, you can see it's changed from 25 to 29. Okay, if you put here 12, it means half of the day, so it's showing 0.5. And instead of 12, if you use 24, it will give you output of 1. It's given output of 1. So it means Excel stores times with the numbers 0 to 1. If you change this time as per your requirement, just click on right click and then format cell and then time, format cell and then time, and just select a format as per your requirement and click OK. You will be able to see the timing. So that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed this and hope it will help you. If you are new into my channel, please subscribe for more videos, and if you like this video, please like, share and comment. Thanks for watching.